Start by navigating to the library homepage. From utsa.edu, select My UTSA, then scroll down to Library Homepage. You can also go directly to lib.utsa.edu or just Google UTSA Libraries. Once the homepage is loaded, click the Databases link beneath the Quick Search bar. Next, choose Chemistry, then Cambridge Structural Database. Once the database loads, click the Structure Search tab. The Structure Builder applet will load. Begin drawing the molecule. I'm going to search for a copper saccharin complex, so I'll start by drawing a phenyl ring, then add a 5-membered ring, as well as my 3 bonds. Next, I'll add the nitrogen, sulfur, and oxygen, then change the oxygen bonds to double bonds. Lastly, I'm going to select the element chooser and add a copper atom. Notice it's not bonded to the saccharin structure. Before clicking search, make sure that the substructure option is selected. It may take a few moments to load the results, depending on internet and computer speed, as well as how many results there are. This is going to find all structures that contain the drawn substructure. If we select one, we can see the 3-dimensional molecule and use the mouse to view at different angles. To find the original research article where the structure was determined, scroll down to the associated publication. Most of these will have a DOI link straight to the article. However, if there's not a DOI link, then it will be necessary to use the citation information to search for the article in Library Quick Search. Most articles will only display basic information on the web page. To view the entire article, look for a PDF, full text, or download option on the page.